Hey everyone, Henry here from Legend Boats. Today I'm riding a solo. Just want to show you a couple quick tips on how to launch your boat by yourself. One of the first things you want to do when you get to the boat launch is you're in the staging area and you want to get your ropes and your fenders all ready. In my side compartment here I have 3 fenders, and then I also have 2 mooring lines. And these items here, your basic necessities, what you want when you're launching your boat solo. We do have fender cleats on the side. They're mounted 3 on each side, and the way these goes on is that you just hang them over the side and they just clip over. Once you have your mooring line on and your fenders on, we're going to jump out of the boat. We're going to start untying the boat from the trailer. Here we are at the bow of the boat, and the next step we're going to do is start releasing the winch and also the safety chain. So you just push the handle clockwise, release the tension, couple turns. We're going to do the safety chain. A little tip for you is I usually hang my safety chain on this bracket here. It makes it a lot easier to reconnect it when you're coming back on the trailer. And we're just going to undo the flaps for the winch as well, and we're also going to hang that in the same area. So here we are at the transom. One of the steps you want to do first is remove the tie downs from the boat to the trailer. So simply, you're just going to do the Velcro. The tether's going to fall. You're going to pull the tether upwards. That releases the tension. You're going to release the top hook and then the bottom hook. The next step we're going to do is we're going to remove the motor support. And to do that, you simply just remove the safety strap. On your engine on the port side, you're going to have a trim button. You're going to trim it up while you're holding the motor support with your right hand. Once the motor support clears your lower unit, you're going to twist the bracket counterclockwise, and it comes out like so. Very last step to getting your boat ready before you hit the boat ramp is going to be putting the boat plug. The most crucial part of making sure you're going to have a great day in the water. My particular boat plug is located to the other side of this hole. It's going to reach over, it's going to grab it, I'm just going to put it in. All right, everyone, so we have your fenders on, we have the mooring lines on, we've released the boat from the bow, we've also released the boat from the transom. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to jump in the truck, and we're going to line the boat up with the boat ramp, and we're going to start backing it down to the ramp. We're just going to pull the boat up to the boat ramp. The most important part of this exercise is to make sure your vehicle and your boat is straight and in line with the ramp. One of the most important things when you're backing up a trailer is to make sure you make subtle movements with your steering wheel. The bigger the movements you're going to make, the bigger the exaggeration and the bigger the movement is going to be on your trailer and your boat. So as we're backing up the trailer, you want to make sure your steering wheel is straight and back up slowly, checking all your mirrors. If you do end up making big turns, it's really going to swing your boat left or right really, really fast. And then you're going to have to overcorrect and swing your boat back. And by this point, you will notice that your boat will be further on one side and then the other side of the boat ramp. If this does happen, the most important thing is to put it back in drive and straighten out your vehicle and your boat. Once your vehicle and your boat is straight, you can start the process all over again. Putting it in reverse and just make subtle movements with your steering wheel. All right, everyone, here we are. The boats and trailer is now in the water. I have the trailer just submerged enough that the boat is going to be floating on top of the water. My next step I'm going to do when I'm launching by myself is I'm going to get in the boat and I'm going to lower the engine and start the engine and back it off the trailer. I put it in gear. We're going to slowly just let it slide off the trailer, put it back in neutral. I'm going to grab my rear mooring line, grab onto the boat, bring it close to the dock. And since I'm here, I'm going to tie off my front line. Go towards the stern. I'm going to grab my rear line. Bring it close to the dock. And we're just going to tie up this line as well. There you have it. We successfully launched the boat by myself. Boat is all tied up at the ramp. I'm gonna get back in my vehicle now and drive my vehicle and my trailer out of the water.